Hello, what's your name?
My name is Nahir.
Hi, Nihir. I'm Jack.
I'm Victor. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Turkey.
Wow, welcome to our class.
Thank you.
Are you interested in sports?
I like football.
Wow, which is your favorite team in Turkey?
My favorite team is Galatasaray.
Do you have a sibling?
Yes, I have an older sister and brother. What room is on the right?
It is the music room.
What room is on the left?
It is the math room.
Where is Victor?
He is at the back.
Music room right, math room left, stairs front, Victor back. Right. Left. Front. Back.
Subscribe to our channel for more fun videos.